Ino nĩ ndemu ya Sasumua ĩrĩa ĩrĩ mwena wa Njabine gĩcigo-inĩ gĩa Kinangofu na ĩrĩa ĩkuĩte makĩria ma lita milioni 15 cia maaĩ.
President William Samoei Ruto has been on the front line on matters of planting trees. Na mimi nimekuja kuwaomba nyinyi wananchi mko hapa tushikane ili tupande miti.
Na kuona ndemu ino ikoragwo ihokeirwo kunyotera muingi wa kaunti ya Nairobi, Nyandarua hamwe na miena ya Naikuru, ritana ria kugitira ndemu ino nirikitio. Guku muingi uria urigicĩirie ndemu ino kĩũrio gwĩthema kuhanda mĩtĩ ya mĩnyua maaĩ, kuona ni igucagia maaĩ maingĩ.
Miti hapa Babadeas idadi imeenda chini. Juzi tumesikia kwa radio, kwa TV wengine walichoma. So tulisikia hiyo. Na wengine wana expand for purposes of agricultural practices. Sasa lazima sisi vile vile tuendelee kupanda miti so that you can have that resistant variety yenye mbuzi hata hikiwa hapo haitakuwa inafanya nini, inakula. Akiaria
hindi ya kurugurio hadi wa mĩtĩ ndemu-inĩ no mũteithio wa ministry-inĩ ya maaĩ Chris Wamarwa ni augire ndemu ino ya Sasumua ĩrĩ na maaĩ ma kũigana na ona ikĩro ciayo cia maaĩ ingĩcoka na thĩ kũrĩ na ndemu ingĩ cia kũhe mũingĩ maaĩ.
So the people of Nairobi, they are assured of water. Hakuna mahali yoyote ati watu watakosa maji Nairobi. Nairobi contributes about 60% of the GDP of this country. Is the headquarter. And for us to attract investors who are coming in this country on matters of electricity, matters of water, lazima tukue na maji. In case of anything, they also have plan B. Kwa sababu maengineer tumeongea hapa nyuma, kuna ingine yenye wamesema that in case of any shortage, they also have a supply from maybe other dams.
Ihinda-inĩ riu Wamarwa ni andĩkithĩtie Aikari kuma mwena ũyũ maheo mĩeke ya mawĩra kambuni-inĩ iria irutaga maaĩ gũkũ nĩgetha mahote kũgitĩra ndemu ĩno.
We'll work together so that a budget has been put in place to take care of the interests of the common mwananchi who comes from this area of Nyandarua. We've mentioned about Jambini, and I want to salute the earthworks, the work we are going to do as a way of CSR kusaidia watu wenye wanakaa hapa Jambini.
Mwena-inĩ wake mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kambuni ya Athi Water Engineer Michael Thoita nĩ orĩtie mũingĩ ũrĩa ũrigicĩirie ndemu ĩno wĩtĩkĩre kũhanda mĩtĩ ya kĩmerera kuona ĩrĩ na ũhoti wa kũnyitĩrĩra tĩri na ndĩhũthagĩra maaĩ maingĩ.
In that exercise, so that at the end of the day everybody wins. We plant trees, environment inakuwa mzuri, miti inakuwa mzuri. In the event we want the community to benefit, there will be limited access, so that munapitia ofisi ya KFS munasema kama ni kuni, si mnajua ile mpango inakuanga hapo.
Maafitha yani meranĩire kũgitĩra na kũramata ndemu ĩno na njĩra ciothe nĩgetha gũtigĩrĩra mũingĩ nĩ wagĩa maaĩ matheru.
Encourage your people to plant brungam. I know it grows very fast, lakini ukiona ina grow very fast unatakana ujiulize kwa nini mti ina grow very fast. Sawa, ina grow very fast kwa sababu inanyonya maji chini.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV kuma Kinangofu kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarua, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.